Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws, there are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884.
DAB Plus, Manchester, Alexa, internet and video. So we are live and and by Facebook no so we say ne lawyer Eunice. Ya jina mu papa and easy. Na me pe aka chero say ye Easter kwantu no ya sha se ye fiti ene. It's a one day ya ko Facebook no so. Rumble Radio UK na okwa like share and comment na ensema lawyer eba bi krebu wonso watimi anya kwakwanja abisa ho nsem ahwehwem akomunia ewose wo eye emara eho nsem ene bedi ho nkomo legal education lawyer me ba jo me ma wachi ema wa baba eba edwumadi yesu
me Joseph Prophet na pacho ho tsen
onyame ehira me na Easter wan susu ansha asientem.
Hey, and I say it now. You're looking forward to Easter, no?
Emo
But
na say if you bopon kala na obi ahụ ye
yamiadum obi ahụ ye yamiadum
da obadi ase anopai wadaroma meni rumbu atiefo wona yitio
Patriot, Mami Edikai Inchia Yetia from Mute on Rainbow Radio International. So, and confirm more sharing our Facebook, so and I say YouTube, and I say BW Facebook, no so, me damudina ase, me hope say, Yamia Domunina Moho, eye. Happy new month and so, Yabera month from Insi, Yame, and I had as I say, on the Abeshe April, and I know say looking forward to this Easter weekend and also I know say Obia is at home with the children because I'm on vacation. It's I hope say this holiday period, not only would we have some rest, much needed rest, but also we will also be able to share and unite and be one as a community as well. In terms of your usual updates, I know say nkurɔfoɔ bebree looking at today being the 6th of April, no, we start a new financial year. Nti na nkurɔfoɔ ɛreka sɛ oh nti home office for no two fees no mu anaasɛ dɛn na ɛbɛsi, and the home office being true to their word ɔmo anto fees no mu, nti the fees are the same, nothing has been changed. Nti sɛ o ɛrehwɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛto fees no mu anaasɛ ɔmo bɛyɛ ho biribi a, they haven't changed a thing. Nti fees no yɛ the same. IHS wobɛtua 624 for each year, which means for would be a will apply for 2.5 na ɛbɛyɛ 1,560 na wobɛtua. So wotua application fee no nso a ɛyɛ the same, £1,052 na wobɛtua. Nti ɔmo nto fees no mu biribiara da so ɛyɛ the same as before. Nti ɛno nso yɛnhyɛ no nso. And then being the start of a new financial year, at least government no ayɛ adeɛ sɛ ɔmo ato fees no mu. I know say when it comes to yeah immigration bill now more ɛka ho asɛm wɔ parliament no nso so nkurɔfoɔ so ɛrehwɛ deɛ wɔde bɛba. They are still in the process. Ɛho ɛmma ne nyɛ mbra at the moment, but sɛ wobɛhwɛ news no mu a we saw say yeah home secretary Miss Suella Braverman ɔkɔ Rwanda ɔne ɔmo president no ɛkɛdi nkitaho and ɔmo foreign minister, and they have solidified ɔmo agreement ne say as much as possible say immigrants ɔmo ba kurom ha ɛba na ɔmo ntumi ɛnsan nkɔ back to ɔmo kurom deɛ a ɛndeɛ ɔmo bɛsoa mo akɔ Rwanda. And that is one of the things that they are trying to introduce within this new illegal migration bill now, our parliament to say. And they are saying, say, it may be that it in Kofono as asylum seekers, no, yes, some of them may not be able to go back to their country because of some reasons which is out of their control. Usually it's a oh yeah asylum claimer, or on the basis say your life is at risk or your political values or your beliefs are at risk. Due to that, Nancy, you're not going to be able to return to Chrome now with no, but open say at least omuma ho kwan say obetna UK Chrome hub because waba hanom Nancy. And if they have said say I will claim no ebia yehu sɛ deɛ woka no ɛyɛ nokorɛ, but ansa na woba UK no wosan kɔ kuro foforɔ bi so na nka sɛ wosiki asylum wɔ hɔ ɛna wanyɛ ɛna wode abɛba kurom ha, anaa kora mpo sɛ wosiki asylum wɔ ha wɔ hɔnom ansa na woba UK. Nti ɛno no saa no yɛhu sɛ na nka sɛ wokɔ saa kuro no a wosii so no ansa na woba hanom no yɛde wobɛkɔ Rwanda sɛnea at least in Rwanda so another safe country na ɔmbɛtumi aboa wo. Sisi ade Rwanda na yɛnim before no, it is not the same. It is now a peaceful country. Nti they are saying say they have the capacity to have as many immigrants as possible. It's the UK government don't have that assurance, and they are looking to see how they can even build more detention centers around France. Senya nkurɔfoɔ ɛbɛtumi akɔ ɛhɔnom instead of coming by boat and other means to the UK. They are really looking to make a tight grip on immigrants now already boats are back through Dover and other ports of the UK. And so let's see how things will go. But the airborne umpire say and cover almost to me abano na at least say quiet in terms of asylum claims any families are almost person almost human rights applications no so they will be able to do so so that they can remain here in the UK. And so that is in terms of just a few updates, current updates. And last week, na meka ho asɛm, not last week, but last 2 weeks, na meka ho asɛm say the government have also introduced the new statement of changes a ɔmo pɛ sɛ yɛhu because when it comes to immigration, nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a ɛtaa sesa. And this is their first statement of changes for this year. Omo pɛ sɛ at least omo ma yɛhu sɛ these are what they are seeking to change in the coming weeks. And one of them being the fact that omo introduce yeah appendix adult dependent relative no those are people who are ebia we settled status ɛwɔ kurom ha anaasɛ wowɔ British citizenship ɛwɔ kurom ha na wopɛ sɛ woyɛ application ɛma obi a ɔyɛ wo dependent anaasɛ wo relative a ɔte amanɔne and usually it is the case sɛ nipa korɔ no wɔdi above the age of 18 anaasɛ ɔyɛ 18 and above. Nti saa nipa no ɛpɛ sɛ ɔbɛjoin no wɔ kurom ha. But usually they want to see sɛ saa nipa no ɛyɛ dependent on wo. And that person for some reason either sɛ ɔne obi a ɔbɛtumi ahwɛ no wɔ ne kurom na ɔfiri no anaasɛ ɔwɔ yareɛ bi anaasɛ disability bi a ɛho treatment no ɔntumi ɛnya ɛwɔ ne kurom na ɔfiri no anaasɛ ɛbɛyɛ difficult sɛ ɔbɛtua for saa treatment no ɛwɔ kurom na ɔfiri no nti ɛyɛ important sɛ saa nipa no ɛbɛjoin no wɔ kurom ha sɛnea wɔbɛtumi ahwɛ no nti ɛba ne saa na they have basically simplified the rules to make it more should I say simple for nkurɔfoɔ to understand the basis for which ɔmo bɛtumi ayɛ saa applications wei. Nti first of all sɛ saa nipa no ɛnyɛ wo relative anaasɛ ɛnyɛ obi a wo relate no di a ɛndeɛ no saa no wontumi ɛmfa ne ɛmba under this route no so. Nti ɛno nso saa no nso yɛnhyɛ no so. And I know say in regards to yeah applications whether it is even under the EUSS family permit route and also your EU settlement scheme na yeah ensure say as much as possible these applications na yeah you know I know say most people who are in the UK as EU nationals and family members on why is that EU settlement scheme applications so oh yeah application de wo ho kafo eba anaasɛ wo ba eba anaasɛ wo nana wohwɛ no eba you also have to make sure say oh yeah the application to make the caseworker aware say wo EU settlement scheme now no either say what pre-settled which is limited leave to remain and now say what settled status which is yeah indefinite leave to remain no sa nipa na wo pese wo de ne ba no ono so sa so enim sa information no and then especially if it's for nkola already under the age of 21 and no sa no na o ka say o de sa nipa no eba they are not necessarily your dependent because who here say your dependent, but you have to be able to show say oh kofa nipa na ba and wo ebia wo EU national na say wo Ghanaian national na woyɛ parent of that child no una wokɔfa no aba so usually wobɛte sɛ nkurɔfoɔ ɛka sɛ ɔmo kɔfa ɔmo mba no aba ebia ɔmo ntumi ɛmfa ɔmo ɛmbarim because ebia ɔmo ankasa ɛnyɛ EU national no it might be the case sɛ woyɛ application no na woka sɛ wo na wobɛ accompany akwadaa no nti it means say EU national no what they also say he's accompanying the child no, they expect say on only EU national no, ebe kwa kofa akola na aba. Say one fan to so sad there, then they expect say and the oh be join it EU national no wɔ kurom ha nti sɛ wobɛjoin ne deɛ a usually woyɛ akwadaa under the age of 18 airlines no koraa mpo ɛmma wo travel by yourself so the entry clearance officer will ask sɛ hwan ɛna ɛne saa nipa wei ɛbɛba that will be after you have submitted the application and usually no ɛsɛ wode details of either the parent who is not an EU national and I say parents now ɔyɛ EU national no na wɔde ɛno no ahyɛ hɔ because you are saying say join it, but because akwadaa no yɛ under the age of 18 nti ɔno ankasa ntumi ntu kwan kye sɛ obi de n'aba nti there's a difference between obi a accompany and obi a join it. Nti sɛ woka sɛ saa nipa wei ɛbɛjoine deɛ a ɛndeɛ whether it's a Ghanaian national or EU national ɔmo bɛtumi akɔfa akwadaa no aba but in regards to obi a ebi a ɔyɛ nipa a let's say ɔyɛ non-EU national na ɔka sɛ ɔkɔfa akwadaa no aba no ɛnyɛ possible saa nti it's very very important sɛ yɛbɛhwɛ the difference na yɛtumi ayɛ ɛho biribi nti in regards to saa EU applications no ɛno nso ɛho asɛm ɛna mɛka in regards to that.
Ɛbɔ lawyer ɛno a na wabubu agu mu de ama yɛn no ɛnim sɛ anɔpa yi yɛde nsɛm no ɛretwa mu maame ma wo 1 minute na lawyer mpa ngye n'ahome ɛho sɛ ɛha ɛyɛ Rainbow Radio International ɛna ɛne wo ɛti so anɔpa yi yɛkɔ 1 minute break aba yɛba a lawyer de nsɛm a ɛnɛ ɛrekɔ so ɛwɔ mamu nyinaa ɛbɛma yɛ live and carried ɛyɛ atoa so afiri ha.
This is our world. This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London. N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.
He said, Ubi my so and yet here. And he and Mara Abay the factor. Ewo, Yabrabum. O Pakika Yamara, Utuka Yamara, Ukudidia Yamara. It is a crowd, my sister, you no one finds we are Brabecho. And he and Mara and no one yet here. Lawyer, and ne, Payeko. Na latest news in Famaye.
Fashiyo, it's a Prophet Silvershire and your topic now is to do with nkɔfra ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ applications for naturalization. And
Yeah.
usually, yeah, name says, oh, koyesa naturalization applications are almost share with immigration issues and that's a immigration history into I know nkurɔfoɔ a ebia wɔn asesa wɔn din koraa fa wɔn asesa wɔn date of birth no na ayɛ issue ama wɔn because they are thinking say wɔn ka sɛ ebia wɔn sesa wɔn din anaasɛ wɔn sesa wɔn date of birth na wɔn mfa British citizenship no ɛmma wɔn nti they are looking to see how possible a wɔn betumi edit application no atum. So there are so many let's say immigration issues and for which deters them and answer which stops them from making some naturalization application. In the end there, we're going to be looking specifically at some immigration related issues are ABA or and say ABA ɛbɛyɛ nsesanso a ntumi ɛnyɛ saa naturalization application. It's first of all, Prophet say, oh, pay sa naturalization application. Yɛnhwɛ deɛ mbra no ɛka sɛ ɔmo hwɛ na wetumi ayɛ saa application wei. Nti sɛ woyɛ obi a watena kurom ha na wowɔ asetena a wode tena kurom ha for whatever period of time no, ɔmo hwɛ sɛ wabenya afebɔɔ no anaa which is your indefinite leave to remain. Nti usually wobɛhu under your British Nationality Act say they are looking to see say nipa no ɔyɛ obi a ɔwɔ full capacity, obi a n'adwen ɛyɛ should I say ɛda hɔ a obetumi ayɛ saa application wei. Usually it will be somebody who is above the age of 18 and then they are expecting say saa nipa wei nso obetumi akyerɛ sɛ ɔwɔ saa menka no menim sɛ nea mɛka no wɔ twi mu but in English no mɛka no say they are looking to see say saa nipa no has been able to be a law abiding citizen ɛwɔ kurom ha yɛnka sɛ ɔwɔ any bad character nti ne character no ɛyɛ into was a good character no and then they want to be able to see say nipa way no what's not a chrome hano over the past 5 years with sumi akyerɛ sɛ onto kwan more than 450 days ɛna sɛ yɛhwɛ the last 12 months na wonya ne indefinite anaasɛ ne afebɔɔ no onto kwan more than 90 days and so they want to be able to see say saa nipa no nso wabenya ne afebɔɔ no nso yɛka sɛ ɔnyɛ English language test ɛne yɛ life in the UK test wetumi ayɛ saa nneɛma wei anaa ɛna saa nipa no nso wayɛ n'adwene sɛ ɔbɛyɛ UK kurom ha ne fie anaasɛ ne kurom a woehu no sɛ ɛyɛ beebi a ɔbɛtena afebɔɔ nti usually they are trying to say saa nipa na ɔyɛ application no will have to meet all of these requirements to be able to make your naturalization application. Usually nkurɔfoɔ ba a they are looking to see say ebi a mentu kwan ebi a mayɛ English language test metumi ayɛ life in the UK test mewɔ disability anaasɛ mewɔ biribi a ɛbɛyɛ nsensanso a ɛndeɛ ma mehu sɛ metumi ayɛ saa application wei anaa and usually most of these immigration issues anaasɛ offences anaasɛ nneɛma a ɛbɛhinder nkurɔfoɔ from making these applications will be under your good character requirements. Nti sɛ yɛsɛ obi has good character they are trying to say saa nipa wei obetumi akyerɛ sɛ not only have they not committed criminal offences but also say nipa koro yi ebi a ondi bɔne bi a ebi a yɛbɛtumi aka sɛ saa nipa no because of say ne say na wayɛ ne nti yɛntumi ɛmfa saa yɛ British citizenship no ɛmma no nti ebi ɛyɛ yɛ immigration issues yi na mehwɛ sɛ sɛ yɛtumi ka sɛ obi wɔ bad immigration history ɛno nso kyerɛ sɛn, sɛ yɛka sɛ obi nso yɛ overstay a ɛno nso kyerɛ sɛn, obi yɛ illegal immigrant ɛno nso kyerɛ sɛn, sɛ yɛka sɛ ebi a nipa korɔ no wɔnhyɛ da nkɔ bail, ebi a yɛaka kyerɛ no sɛ ɔnkɔ reporting ɛno nso kyerɛ sɛn. Nti we are looking specifically at these immigration related issues a yɛbɛtumi ahwɛ mu aka sɛ saa immigration issues no ɛbɛtumi ayɛ nsensansoɔ ama obi a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ saa naturalization application anaa. Usually sɛ yɛhwɛ yɛ good character requirement guidance na home office ehwɛ mu na ɔmo didi asɛm no a, say there's no definition for good character, but at least ɔmo hwɛ sɛ saa nipa wei a ɔreyɛ application yi, ebi a ɔbaa kurom ha no, na ɔnhyɛ da nni nkrataa. Obi na maa ne passport ɔde faa plane ɔbaeɛ no ɔmo gye passport no firi ne nsam. Nti sisi a ɔuse ɔno ankasa din, ɔuse ɔno ankasa date of birth, but ɔnyɛɛ biribiara to show sɛ na ɛyɛ saa document wei na ɔde baeɛ. Ɔreba no deɛ na ɛyɛ different name, nti ɔnyɛɛ hwee to show sɛ ɛyɛ saa edin no na ɛde baeɛ. Nti saa nipa no wabɛyɛ obi a yɛnka ne sɛ ɔbɛyɛ overstayer because ɔreba no ɔde nkrataa na ɛbaeɛ. It was a different name, it was a different date of birth. Nti ɔno no abɛyɛ overstayer because sɛ wohwɛ mu a saa nipa no is obi a wabɛyɛ an overstayer because ɔwura mu like a normal visitor ebi a ɔreba hanom anaasɛ ɔde tier 5 na ɛbaeɛ anaasɛ ɔde student visa na ɛbaeɛ, whichever means by which this person came no, waba kurom ha but wabɛtena hanom ɛna ne leave na ɔmo de maa no ɛwɔ mu. Nti yɛnka ne sɛ wabɛyɛ overstayer wɔ kurom ha a ɔnni nkrataa. Anaa koraa mpo sɛ ebetumi ayɛ obi a ɔfiri France ɛbaeɛ na ɔnni hwee, ne bra ɛna ɛkɔfaa ne baeɛ a wabɛwura mu. Ɛno no saa no na ɔnhyɛ da nni nkrataa a ɔde reba, ɔbɛwura mu kɛkɛ. Nti ɛno nso saa no yɛbɛka sɛ saa nipa no yɛ illegal immigrant because ɔwura mu koraa mpo no ɔnni hwee. Nti ɔnni visitors visa, ɔnni yɛnka ne tier 5, ɔnni hwee a ɔde wura mu. Ɛno ara sɛ ɔwura mu na wabɛtena kurom ha. Nti saa nipa no yɛ illegal immigrant. Nti in this case, saa nipa wei wabɛnya asetena wɔ kurom ha, ebi a wanya limited leave to remain 10-year route no so, ɛna wode anya wo indefinite leave to remain. Nti afei deɛ wohwɛ sɛ wobɛtumi ayɛ wo naturalization anaasɛ wobɛtumi apply for British citizenship. Ɛno no saa no, wohwɛ ɔmo guidance no a, ɔmo say usually there was the case sɛ wode illegal entry ɛna de baeɛ anaasɛ wabɛyɛ overstayer anaasɛ woadi immigration breaches bi so, nti ebi a ɔmo aka kyerɛ wo sɛ bɛreporte, woambɛreporte, ɔmo de conditions bi to wo leave no so ɛna wobu saa conditions no mu. If there is anything like that na almost say usually no, na ɛsɛ sɛ wotwɛn 10 years ansa na woetumi ayɛ application for naturalization. Nti ebi a wobenyaa wo 2.5 no 2014, wabenya wo 2.5 no, afei deɛ wo leave na wonyaeɛ no na wotumi switch it nti wokɔ switch it to the 5-year route. Nti wo indefinite na wonyaeɛ no wonya no ebi a 2020. Nti let's say 2020 na wonya wo indefinite ɛna wotee sɛ after 12 months no wobɛtumi ayɛ wo naturalization, but wokɔɔɛ no ɔmo refuse it because ɔmo say 10 years ɛmbaeɛ from the time a wo leave no ɔmo de maa wo. Nti na ɛsɛ wotena mu saa 10 years ansa na woetumi ayɛ wo naturalization. Sisi adeɛ since last year ɔmo update ɔmo guidance no, almost say ubetumi actually say now our lawful residence for the 5 years answer na ubenya wo indefinite leave to remain and answer wo afebon na ubetumi ama mo aye assessments no based on the fact that what's not a chrome ha lawfully. Yes, yenim say ebia wure mu illegally and I say yenim say wure mu no wabɛyɛ overstay a nti sisi a no wetumi akyerɛ wo lawful residence no for the past 5 years and we are able to show say I wayɛ obi a bibia bia and that records no so nti since that time no there hasn't been any other let's say offense in terms of o character nti yɛbɛtumi up forgive it and I say to me away this that time now we buy hanom as an illegal immigrant and I say what by overstay no nti eno no sa no na ye de asetena no a ye friend your British citizenship no amaw ehun hia say obetena hanom 10 years and sana to me ISA application no for naturalization nti that was a good thing that obviously they introduced in terms of naturalization application. And then it was also an issue in terms of nkurɔfoɔ a ebia ɔmo ɛka sɛ ebia maba hanom as an illegal immigrant anaasɛ maba hanom as obi a ɔyɛ overstay a na ebia menya driving offence anaasɛ meyɛ biribi a ɛbɛyɛ nsensanso ama me no, will that also be negative in terms of my naturalization application I may, Yes, of course, if for instance, wabeye bibi omo ehunu say ebum brano, there will always be some form of consequence. Into ebia wakoye driving offense be. Usually it will be 3 years after which time unya let's say incidents with the police no and ɔmo bɛyi every records no to show say saa nipa wei no ebia yɛ stop no na or drive without a license anaasɛ or over speedy into your fine no it will usually take about 3 years to come off your records because either say we final and answer or catch us say go for extra lessons or driving instructions or whatever it is. And say no sano, it will add on to the timer over to me akase obeye or naturalization application. And see, yes, there's no need to wait for the 10 years about immigration issues now. But if you commit any offenses whilst living here legally within the 5 years now, that can also break what time now over to me a day application. No. In say no so sa no yen so because I know say for different reasons, yeah, we are not all perfect. There will be instances where we will obviously break the law or things will happen that would not favor us. But say it to me, ɛhwɛ saa nneɛma wei na yɛtumi di ɛno no so a na ɛtumi aboa yɛn in terms of your naturalization applications na yɛpɛ sɛ yɛyɛ no. So in regards to specifically your immigration issues ne deɛ ɔmo edi kan aka sɛ watena hanom legally anaasɛ lawfully for that 5 year period na nsensansoɔ biara ɛnni hɔ biom apart from the fact sɛ woba ha illegally anaasɛ wobɛtena ha as an overstay adeɛ a ɛndeɛ yɛde saa time period no ɛbɛma wo na woatumi abɛyɛ yɛ citizen anaasɛ British citizen ɛwɔ kurom ha. Ɛho hia sɛ wobɛtwɛn 10 years na first no na yɛreka no. So as long as wobɛtumi akyerɛ sɛ na watena ha lawfully deɛ na yɛtumi ɛde ɛno nso ama wo. But if there are any other offenses anaasɛ nsesansoɔ bi ɛbaeɛ time na wobɛnya asetena deɛ a ɛndeɛ that will be also added on to the time a ɛsɛ sɛ wotwɛn ansa na wayɛ wo naturalization application a ɔmo bɛhwɛ mu ɛde yɛ certificate anaasɛ yɛ naturalization certificate no nso ɛbɛma wo. Nti saa nneɛma wei na mepɛ sɛ yɛtiefoɔ no ɛhyɛ no nso sɛnea at least ɔmo bɛtumi ɛdi time no ho na ɔmo bɛtumi ayɛ saa applications wei. Nti prophet ma megya no hɔ a na yɛmbie yɛ telephone lines no so na nkurɔfoɔ ntumi mbisa ɔmo nsɛm a ɔmo wɔ.
Yo, mepakyɛw ɛnɛ lawyer Annie ɛwɔ hɔ.
Fashai.
Yo, ɛneɛ ansa na yɛbɛbue telephone line no, lawyer Annie ɛmfa pɔtɔ kasa no ɛntwa atoɔ ɛma yɛn sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a mmerɛ a yɛabue telephone line no ɛtaa mu a na ɛkyerɛ sɛ yɛrekɔ. Nti mema atiefoɔ ahu sɛ ɛnɛ anɔpa yi yɛ telephone lines no yɛbɛgya agu mu. Nti mmerɛ a lawyer Annie ɛde pɔtɔ kasa no wobɛtwa agu ama yɛ no borɔfo no deɛ ɔmo ka ɔmo mmue ɔmo ano koraa ɔmo nsi ne sisi saa, but lawyer Annie deɛ no deɛ obue ɛbaabaa mu ɛma yɛte aseɛ sɛ ampa wotwa pɔtɔ kasa no agu ama yɛn. Wo number yɛfrɛ so no ɛyɛ 0208 133 4646 0208 133 1134. ɛyɛ a na meka sɛ nsɛm a lawyer ɛde mpa bia na wammɔ wo kyɛm so wanka biribi amfa wo deɛ no ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ wontumi mfrɛ na wombisa lawyer sɛ lawyer maasɛm a ɛha me nie ɛkwan bɛn so ɛna mede bɛfa. Lawyer ɛyɛ ready sɛ baabi a wode bɛfa awaresɛm, nsasensɛm, nkratasɛm, adwumasɛm, nea mmara ɛka ho asɛm biara wode ba a yɛbɛso mu ama. Kai na hyɛ no number no ɛyɛ 0208 133 4646 anaasɛ 0208 133 1134. Yɛmfa lawyer Annie mmra na yɛntoa dwumadie no so.
Hello, good morning, everyone, and thank you, Prophet, for that lovely introduction. Happy New Month, everyone. I'm going to be providing a summary today in English. So the topic was what immigration issues are considered in a naturalization application. And naturalization essentially is when you are making an application to become a British citizen. So I'm just going to run through the requirements. The first requirement is that you have to be above the age of 18 years, and that's under Section 6, subsection 1 of the Nationality Act 1981. The second requirement is that you must have full capacity. So that in essence means that you must understand that you're making an application for to become a British citizen. So that means that if you have any mental impairments, for example, that would prevent you from understanding what you're doing, that might have an impact on the outcome of your application. You also have to pass the Life in the UK test, and in essence, this is a test based on the UK customs, values, and traditions. It's a multiple choice test consisting of 24 questions, and you have to pass 19 of them in order to pass. You also have to pass the English language requirement test if you are not exempt, and you have to pass it at level B1. And then there are also residency requirements. For example, you have to you must not have left the UK for more than 450 days in the requisite period, and you must not have been outside of the UK for more than 90 days in the last 12 months. As lawyer Eunice said, there is also a requirement for you to have good character, and this is not actually defined in statute, but it essentially just means that you must observe the law, and if you do not do that, you might have to wait before you do your naturalization application. So for example, you must not have any criminal records at all, because when you're doing your naturalization application, you have to disclose all of your records. So it's important that you do not have any criminal convictions and that you do not have any fines or cautions. They will also ask if you have been involved in any international crimes such as terrorism, war crimes, and anything that will have an impact on the public good. And again, you have to disclose all of that. They will also ask you immigration-related questions. So, for example, whether you have overstayed, whether you have breached any conditions, for example, your bail conditions. And if any of these are the case, you'd have to disclose it, and you might have to wait before you do your application. So, for example, as Lawyer Eunice said, with driving offences, they will stay on your record for roughly 3 years. So, if you do have, for example, a driving offence, you should wait for it to come off your record first before you do your naturalisation application to ensure that it will be successful. Thank you.
Emo, lawyer, God bless you.
God bless
We have
you.
really enjoyed the Potokasa in a very light and a great way.
Thank
Lawyer
you, sir.
Annie, God bless you, and indeed, happy new month. And then I know by yenjai afidie and amount. Na fa wonsem nyina ebra. Na obi assign me text message wa ha. Mary di ediama lawyer. Na afi yetie ni a lawyer advice no ebefa ni ahwe ni a yebeye. Because lawyer kasa no wa boss brief. Enti anopa yi odi wonsem nyina ebefa 0208 133 4646, and that's the 0208 133 1134. Now, what the ensemble abedan lawyer, na lawyer atimi asumama. Lawyer, obisa pimbisa o say ticket, speed limit ticket, and police for no petrol no. Ena otro koma police for the say enya ono eno o drive na downful ene be drive we be pacho me nyana wa homa no so gina so mami okay ma unka wa se mwie afi na me the question no akota lawyer me pacho me ma wachi e ma akwa ba e be dwumadi izo
me cheche mo penfo ne lawyer
yeah that was
lawyer na me say no bisa quick question here will be a family member now who pay settled status. Obitnya kophobia ba from Ghana.
Into who can visit na?
They can't obi a EU a family member. Now okra pay settled status. Obitnya kophobia from Ghana.
And so are you talking about Obia or Kofano as a visitor or as Obia Obe joining with UK Krumha?
Maybe I said, yeah, man, so Kowari Obiaba.
Okay, and since Obi or pre-settled status, HSS and Nimpano or limited leave to remain. And since Nimpano or limited leave to remain, no EU law no Emma who coin say Obe to me akofan no hoka for Abe join no. So person order nipa no eba under your immigration rules na se there and there so meeting requirements no under appendix FM. Into either say or che say or ye obia or ye EU ni ankasa or sa limited leave to remain. And now say or indefinite leave to remain. And now say or ye British citizen. Based on those, that person can now make applications say or confirm no hoka for aba UK kruma. Patron say what you say?
Me tiatse pa me that yeah na me side business naturalization no say obi a criminal record na say or yeah offense there naturalization nkwa na say oh yeah indefinite so apply so no.
It's usually we hear indefinite applications now. Usually what reasons for refusal, and they also have suitability requirements that ABI yeka says ABI wabo chrono na ABI almost the deportation at so or documents and as a record no so that can be a reason for refusal. Say almost find indefinite na emma because of abia deportation order na omo de ma wo. But abia let's say yeah driving offense almost charge or abia almost ma wo 6 months imprisonment, suspended imprisonment, let's say, for example. Na afe okoye will indefinite leave to remain application. Of course, you will have to disclose it because on baby will say, do you have any criminal hearings or convictions or any sentences? On baby will say, application also. So you have to disclose it. And usually say Uka said, this is what you have done and this is what you were granted, given her. They will look to see, have you had any offenses since that time? Because based on your reasons for refusal under part 9 of your immigration rules, no, they will want to see, say, ABR, Sanipa way or your persistent offender, now say, your man of conviction, be ɔyɛ obi a yɛbɛhu no sɛ ɛnyɛ obi a yɛbɛtumi ama no saa indefinite no, they will usually have discretionary reasons, which means sɛ ɔmo pɛ a ɔmo bɛtumi de ama wo, ɔmo pɛ a ɔmo mfa mma wo. And they have mandatory reasons. Into mandatory reasons, they should not grant you indefinite leave to remain if, for instance, you have deportation order and answer exclusion order, and these can be reasons for them to refuse. But say woman who say and they say yeah, then usually they will normally refuse if they feel says our criminal record now will know is something that will deter them from granting you your indefinite leave to remain. So as long as you disclose it, I think say in cases like this, it's not a mandatory reason for refusal, but you should be able to show on record say you have built a good character since that time. And say yes, you have to take note of that when making indefinite leave to remain applications.
That's a
That's in here.
Emo, minia yenso yeda wasi asem no bia na
Being placed on hold. Please wait.
ama lawyer abubu biso edi amayen di na me ni lawyer me di tu lawyer ni me ni parliament di no ko say wanya speed conviction na police for no twa no kan say no na for drive na odi nipa na o drive no details na nipa no if we do na police for no de ba say na to say kra your free European Union enti Europe laws no does not apply here. Enti say obi ba na o free ho ebe drive a e was so nipa no onya insurance to drive. Enti konfa nipa proof kire say wo insurance nti a be drive car no emra enye saa omudi charges no ni bibia ebe dan na otro ekoma a wo mo say we sorry we nim say emra no asesa enti wa train nipa no ever proof no ma because nipa no o ba proof ha wo drive enti ono di we nim say nipa no ewo insurance covering him to drive nti wa mbisa na say who insurance to drive my car and I say we need insurance to drive my car ono di oye nipa no papa so oso ope car akopa ge eno de car ma nti police for ehun no mobo na nka omumfa enchen and I say punishment be on person de man or you willing to receive but they should punish with mercy nti ode call ye no ebesi nei be se bosom mienu ni achireni police for no wonti omonka oma reply enti edian e no so woye.
In cases like this, dear, won't make us say you are pleading ignorance. It's like Obi Awoka say, no one needs over speeding your offense in see. Over speed and the police for no function. They say ignorance is not bliss.
Ignorance is not the excuse
Yes,
to the law.
it's as much as he wants to get off from the police for himself, no, he will still have to pay the fine. And see, so what they will car Emma will be say on drive and making sure say what catch or insurance say you are permitting this person on your insurance policy. And see, say Abia me car ɛna mewɔ insurance policy for just myself. Menim sɛ ebia me kunu nso drive me car ne bia. Mede me kunu nso share insurance
To
policy.
insurance, so yeah.
Yeah. Sɛ menim sɛ ebia mewɔ ba panin a obetumi nso adrive me car na mede ɔno nso ato policy no so. Nti sɛ wonim sɛ nkurɔfoɔ bi wɔ hɔ a definitely ɔmo drive wɔ car na wode ɔmo nso ato wo policy no so just in case something like this happens, because you cannot tell when something like this will happen. And see, so we a driver, patcho we brave. Mean you say it's but if you want to protect yourself and make sure say you are being a law abiding citizen there and for nipa chrono so, and don't please say oh yeah you were ignorant into na unim into na uma nipa no a driver. I mean, you cannot say because of that into omo fancho. It's a prophet. I hope say it's a nipa way no. Or we could final now at least next time. Now we see baby issue.
But lawyer, or someone for fan, embreno.
Oh,
Lawyer, or
okay.
someone for fan, embreno. Na, or throw come out, back. And this is say, when you say, charging, and I say, the channel, and I say, close case, for fan, embreno, for in my.
Oh, definitely. I'm over responding because in cases like this, if you are saying sending panel, there's no way. Ube who say or insurance and also insurance. It's your responsibility to make sure say that ni panel or driver one kasa no or insurance policy no so. It has nothing to do with the person, but more to do with one kasa no.
Yeah.
And sano na woka say webu mbra because one finance or insurance policy no so either that they will come back and say omo fine no and I say they will come back to say omo ma caution or whatever the case is, they will definitely come back. Yeah.
Mo nti on shanonso no man and that's what say
Yeah.
they will definitely come back.
Yeah.
Say miracles to misi ebia no ma no me see e achew na ndie no ko wanim yesu cross no e so mfa so na wudie.
Of course.
Mate me pa cho me ma achi e mo akwa ba e ba yejuma di so
Yesu open I'm so to say
onyame ahira yen papa wada Roma
but I feel Samson
mo
me pa cho madam or so you me misa question now the first question I'll say over 2000 na Sabano woman be a central in a year back and a year adoption independent woman change in BBR and it did to reference your phone while changing the dinner and it madam the dinner ABR now say on any parents nipan yard in a year and you are no mutina or well or not dinner but benya there's not quite saying it I didn't home office or fast I didn't any woman education and then the man. This is no kind of way to match in afa on one mammy best set and I say on Fanasa. And the second question or see.
Man, first question I see any year. What's it? Details.
About 2000 and any panel woman be and say of the year and a back. The woman changing a be best set to Ghana at the man.
Yeah.
And now you go home office or man farmer.
Okay.
Now, on one mutina more
last week, no call bar or didn't ban, and yan 2.5. The are question in details na woman a man or one or the year we see in the banner. Because now could the home office for you. Now this is what I said in case a bit much changing after a while, my meeting at the air a changing and I say on fast again and the to bef now.
Okay, so but I said obey to me as na woda no as the birth certificate na. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
In terms of no,
And the
of
second
course,
question also.
My lawyer, any first one and we first one and we are now the second one at hand. Why?
You.
Lawyer Mananko.
Okay. It's now make us say in terms of na woda no say ebia o ka say birth certificate na omo ye no enye no credit and the so ohun say an original birth cert na or no so oko pe no ba. Nti sɛ original birth cert before yes no dia ɛno no na ɛbɛkyerɛ sɛ na woda ɛyɛ sei ɛna ne din ankasa so ɛyɛ sei nti baby a ne original birth cert no wɔ no ɔnkɔpɛ mbra na ɔnsesa awoda no because ɛno no deɛ sɛ wonni evidence it will be very difficult to say sɛ sesa wawoda no most of the time no nkofo sesa mudin eno no de obetumi asesa mudin at any point in time but if our woda no de is very important so obenya evidence be actually say I we na HSM ma woda say ni say eno no sa no so oh yes statutory declaration na say what share original birth cert cramp na then you can change your passport not to show and answer or reflect say wawoda nkasa say ope say osisa no. And see yes if she has the original birth cert there will be to me yes amendments no.
Our new original and I say person ko for so in case be a first mo say to phone no bi ho a mo nke na nye be set no.
And then that would be very difficult because then they'll just say we wawoda.
Okay. And a second one so say 2.5 or 2.5 na obetin da ko fa na yeraba.
Patro there be inti I think say caller no free first no so be say that question we are so what 2.5 we betumi da kofa oba aba but yeah appendix FM no e ka say so we say okofa ohun kanfo e be join no wa e so to me chere say either say we are British ni and now say ukra settled status which is indefinite no and now say we EU ni what krom ha or pre-settled and answer limited leave to remain. Into say when you EU ni and answer when you will be a ukra indefinite leave to remain. And answer when you will be a ukra British citizenship there and they want to make and cover who can for and be join over UK crew.
Okay. Let me that's it.
Yenjina o question yi so emfambisa lawyer Eunice another point. Now lawyer me pa chew say ukita 2.5 now they cover oba no or age limit and now say only age limit once where your oba ne your oba into betumi akofa na ba.
Oh, Debbie, say Chrome had the 9 him say. So we do 18 almost say why you're penny into wait to me. I hear the open see. So oh yeah, under 18 dear and the yes, ube to me akofana aba.
Yeah, that's it. Lawyer Atimama ye. Nienti ya metimi bisa some funny questions no. Yeah, microphone bebre no. Ye nyate me da wasi o no watama no kro no de ko so enano na me tie Rainbow Radio lawyer kra kan say wo 2.5 years ubetimi akofa oba aba enti hye no nso oba no se oye below yes what qualify enti anopai would we live off floor and a house before and odi we live once akwalalo we under 18 channels under 18 under 18. So Okofa above 18. Eddie Badia and the Wasumbe papa. And the lawyer something country will say, once a colano were ye under 18. Said 1 year near my woo, 1.5 years near my woo, 2.5 years near my woo. We got the any threat of floor in a house. 214 to 218. I room 7 sisters. Landing N154 NP. The top Uya Aqualana were under 18 years. Yet never back Kulubu Hamau. Quick. Ubi can answer what's really a shabu shabu. Enti and a pay. Mamika, na fa upen, na fre. Tronomei, na fre. Na kuhu BWF Solicitors. Ubeko lawyer Eunice woho. Uncle Bernard ewoho. Lawyer Richard ewoho. Na waka wusen. Na yedi pen atum kraka so. Na obano ya kofa na bro. Afisa ne na yenene ni Easter ewokuluma. Number no 0208 4937 340 0208 4937 340.
Mommy,
under 18 years old. 125. What time? Where Uncle Bernard 077 127 61884 077 127 61884. Where lawyer Eunice 075 3581 3910. Where lawyer Eunice 075 3581 3910. And lawyer Richard number 079 6020 1500 079 6020 1500. Ebacho mema watching emo wakwaba eba yejumadi.
Prophet and Pasha Major, so Eunice Pasha, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, maybe a question about Madame Fubako. Pacho, na Ubisa say,
Question about Madame Fubako. No, we question.
You might be the question, but yeah. Pacho, na Ubisa say, Opeso renew nearly remain. Parent root and Pacho forms a benefit to use Pacho.
It's a from FLR in brackets FP.
Pacho, with whatever.
It's a from FLR in brackets LRFP.
FR.
Into F for Foxtrot, L for Lima, R for Romeo. FLR in brackets
R into bracket P.
FP. F for father, P for papa.
Okay, into FLR into bracket FP.
Aye.
Okay, but you, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Now, Madame Fubako, you know.
I don't know, but to be honest, I'm in there. When you're back, I'm person, but never has a little bit about and I'm person behind some more than a lawyer. I'm about to know. Only they know Ghana, but after this question, I don't know. No, Ghana.
Okay.
That's what I know. Maybe in the
yeah, your testimony said this are not a shame and brain. Lawyer, I'm going to hear my and Nyama Ekuku yi. Say, walk the things of play by who ticket of America, we can be man one. Namino. I pay lawyer said, main country say, oh, back for my share, yeah. No, 7 sisters to station, exit 2. A home and our far up here. Who free exit 2 now? Lawyer no building, now yo, wow, 2. Make I say, Uncle Ben Beverly, Nico, not be peer free, exit 2, building in the air, so for men and the isn't that? And we done, hey, lawyer, my idea, Danny, the Papacho say, oh, for bus and swap. Bus 149, bus 76, bus 243, bus 5, bus 59, 79. Wait, you're the last corner, not media home. Bus 79, bus 18, bus 476. Building no anymore. Now, Shannon, Mammy said, so all drive on so Tesco car park 90 minutes. And I'll be to me a parking. Last being home, a driver who say, oh, me party here, come. Basically, never get ticket. But you won't go back here. If you are at 3-4 days in your amount ticket, but Tottenham got 7 sisters hold here. Oh, color and hold here. Almost permit, man. We need problem. Mamma, me pacho me watching Emma Wakaba ever you do my diesel.
Yeah.
Other lawyer 8 you can ask him.
Me bacho. Me sport me was sponsorship me eduma wa haba me wo ba a oda me krata ne so. Anti omoya bed set no say so mbe no be ma de no omoya no female ba ono ye be ma. Anti nim ekwa me fa so a omo fail no omoya no be ma oba but wo ye be ma. Me bed set ne so no omoya female.
Into almost a birth set no.
Anti me nim sa da say bet na sa birth set no ko.
Yeah, into almost go back to registry, baby. No one no more catch almost say na akola no ye ka say or ye bema into mattress female patro sano into say
lawyer Eunice me patro ne question ma me mananya claim.
Okay.
I say omoya fill in application forms no so no mo change no female by the birth set and so there or male enti or no na or busa say to or person or cofa ba that mistake now or my forms and so no or better correct that mistake no.
Okay, into all Nidia no and all no female, but on no person or cofa akola ba say okay say or application ama akola dia obviously ne documents which is the birth cert and the passport no ebetres and the din ASA ne sex ASA inte no sa no omo behu say ampa ebia din no omo ya no correct ewo ono ne de no so but ne sex no na ebia omo ye no mistake inte no de enhye dan fa ho because all the documents and as evidence attach application na you know, and so she shouldn't worry about that mistake, no.
Okay, I clear.
Yeah.
Lawyer, and no, say,
yeah.
Application, Eddie Akopa, Akolana Bar. It was explaining, say, a young Muswobia SC, and I say, most of explaining when you understand, no for supporting documents and enco, no more kuhuna, no more proof.
And so usually in such a case, no, ebia omwe who omo system no so say or the akolani din ho ebia or can say male or not female, but ye who the documents ye who say or ye male. Ehun sheda here say obeka ne current application also say ebia oye mistake ewo ono ne de no so time na all ba no because afa de omo hu evidence ne say ebia asumesi abna a ye kofa na aba no ne birth set no kyerɛ sɛ ɔyɛ ɔbaa nti ɔbaa no ɛna yɛde ne ɛɛba because ne birth set ɛwɔ hɔ anaasɛ DNA report no kyerɛ sɛ ɔyɛ ɔbaa ɛna ne passport no nso ɛkyerɛ sɛ sei ne sei ɛna ɔteɛ. Typos happen all the time anaasɛ mistakes happen all the time. Home office for your mistakes, yes, so yeah, mistakes. As long as you have the evidence to show, say, and it's there, then there shouldn't be any issues.
Lawyer, Mpacho Akabako. Maybe school there in a buy, and I'm a dependent. And I'm a buy, maybe care worker may. Maybe care worker may. And see, care no na Nipakona sponsor by Nipanam nene buy. On the also on ye, intimate train, when I'm here. Into better me, make me. Me who no, into better me divorce. Me better me besides always me a boy, no sumua.
Yes, into so birth. I mean, marriage certificates now. Yes, they will to me about with divorce laws.
The number, and 10. Adie bi e famra hu bi ade wo ba mem bisa say me ba wo betimi ayama me ana ho me we time meten ha yele yantimi na mo me we time meten ha sa yele ba me the number no na phrase si e 075 35 81 obi si number no so ko ba na me na ma so nti be se me ko 075 35
You're into my friend.
075 but 35 81 3910. Now you're the lawyer. I'm not one no. Maybe I was on the brand for the lawyer before what?
About you.
Baba. No, I feel for an pay. And I costing you anything. And not for people like so. The patcho and Merenoko will give for me next sequence. And then we started the program and teach me for me home. Not met me a shell and you made it. Be a come up. Lawyer, but when you ask me to MI, now young bought no message on I am.
And that's very prophets, and the day Mama Ejumajin, I come. Yeah, me sure. In terms of their prophet Ekayeno, Avia, their Mekayeno, and to online so na Avia or different issue opese ubehuyen, whether it's be family issue and I say uba opeso huno and I say it's to do with civil litigation matters. So your opinion so wills home and any probate and also sign so obey to me I who baby say a banner say open so contact and then so office line it was 0208 493 7340 into 0208 493 7340 and person so offer me direct line and so 075 35 81 31 3910. Sorry. Mano have a crack. It's and also sad so offer your office line over to me a book appointments I've been
Emo lawyer di bani na abegu amaye. Lawyer say nkola no hano ba me ngindi sa because law and a kan nkola no so omo ka law no hunse ni bi. Omo support mo bi. And this ana dwuma no aye. Anapai onyane ehira se odi wafidi no ato ha. Me din ne Prophet Stanley Osebri Osei. Me ana mabedi dwuma mu chiame. Enti ni pega me mu na afi masere kwan kra edi akọ ama o nyame adom a dasenne ubesa atiminka se Yesu emma ye dia ubetiminka life and kale ewo ifidie mo ta Macron. Bye-bye.
Happy Easter.
This is our world. This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61885.